The extensive conveyor technology used by e-commerce providers, parcel distribution centers, and baggage handling systems at airports benefits from decentralized drive solutions. Near-motor or motor-mounted concepts reduce installation costs and increase efficiency. In practice, however, a problem often arises. Performance, function, or mounting type do not fully match, and additional installations are necessary. NORD solution is a new modular system that is precisely tailored to the respective requirements. The modular system combines energy-efficient IE3 asynchronous motors and IE5+ synchronous motors with decentralized frequency inverters. NORDAC FUSION represents complete drive systems, including a NORDAC ON, which can be mounted directly on the motor or on a wall. For applications where the frequency inverter is installed separately next to the gear motor, NORDAC LINK is used. This creates a flexible, modular drive system that is suitable for a wide range of applications, even in demanding environments. Both frequency inverters have identical communication and safety functions. This makes them flexible to use, regardless of the architecture of the system. Integration into safety-related applications within existing industrial Ethernet networks is possible with ease. Numerous safety functions can be implemented without the need for encoders. In addition, the NORDAC modular system also enables efficient motor control without encoders. This reduces material and installation costs. At the same time, dynamic applications can be implemented reliably.